Hello.
I'm Dr. Kesu from Chungdam Jeunex Clinic. Nice to meet you. When people hear stem cell treatment, they usually think of older patients getting 4 injections to improve circulation and maintain their health. But today, I want to talk about something a bit broader. Stem cells aren't only used through 4 treatments, they're also used for health and aesthetic purposes in many different areas of the body. So aside from circulation-focused treatments, where else are stem cells used? When I say stem cells, I'm mainly referring to fat-derived stem cells. Why fat? First, it's relatively easy to extract. More importantly, fat-derived stem cells are more active than those from other tissues. We do use blood or bone marrow stem cells, but the amount is limited, so they're mostly used for localized injections, not full body for treatments. Fat-derived stem cells are available in larger quantities. That's why, in addition to for therapy, they're widely used for cosmetic and health treatments in different parts of the body. So where are localized treatments most common? Let's start from the head and move downward. The most common case is male pattern hair loss. With age or genetics, hair we want disappears, and unwanted changes increase. Hair transplantation is actually a form of cell transfer, moving follicles from the back of the scalp. But even without a transplant, delivering fat-derived stem cells to the scalp can strengthen weakened follicles. Hair becomes thicker and stronger, and follicles that once produced 1 strand may produce 2 or 3, making the hair look fuller. If follicles are completely gone, stem cells alone have limited effect. That's why timing matters. When hair is thinning but still present, early stem cell treatment can help significantly. Many people already use scalp care programs. When combined with stem cell treatment, results improve and hair stays healthier longer. Now, let's talk about the face. If stem cells strengthen follicles on the scalp, on the face, they focus on skin regeneration, specifically the deeper dermal layer. Skin renews itself over about a month. With stem cells involved, that process becomes healthier. The skin becomes firmer and more elastic. Fine wrinkles improve, and pores appear smaller. You might wonder if younger people need this, but consider acne. In inflamed acne cases, stem cells help calm the skin and speed up recovery, reducing the risk of scars. Scars form when the skin loses its ability to fully regenerate. Introducing stem cells helps restart that healing process. That's why stem cells are useful during acne treatment and for improving acne scars, especially when combined with other dermatologic procedures. For younger patients, they're helpful for acne-related concerns. For older patients, the issue is different. As skin loses its workers, it becomes looser, drier, and makeup doesn't apply well. Treatments like thermage or work better when there are enough healthy cells. Adding stem cells enhances those results. The same applies to thread lifting. Neck wrinkles are similar. The neck is harder to treat because the skin is thin and regenerates poorly. That's why combining procedures with stem cell treatment leads to better results. I planned to explain everything from head to toe, but there's too much for today. We'll continue next time. Today, we covered up to the neck. In the next episode, I'll explain how stem cells help the lower parts of the body. Thank you.